Let's make a boomerang. Put into half. Very important that you use a table as a base so that you can have a straight line all the time. If you have folded it in the air, well, good luck. It's not standardized, so your line may not be straight. So when it's about half, so I'll give it a little bit more, about less than half, until here. Okay, half is here. So less than half, so that we can have a bigger wing, slightly bigger wing. The front is about half. Same for the other side. And open up the wings. Make sure you give it a little lift, elevator at the back, slide elevator. Okay, same for both sides. And there you are, a boomerang plane. So it's expected to fly and come back one round and come back to you. Right, you can do it sideways, or you can do it vertically as well. So it's your choice. So minor adjustments may be necessary depending on how hard you throw, okay, and the angle of the elevators. Boomerang plane. Have fun.